Hey everyone, welcome back to Scilish Learn Lab. Today, we're covering the major organs and the organ systems, and ending with a quiz challenge to test how much you learned. By the end of this video, you'll understand exactly how your amazing body works as one connected machine. Let's dive in. Brain, the control center. The brain controls movement, memory, emotions, balance, thinking, etc. Even while sleeping, it stays active. Cerebrum, the largest part of the brain. Controls thinking, learning, memory, and decision-making. Helps you read, write, speak, and understand language. Responsible for voluntary movements like running, writing, or eating. Also handles creativity, imagination, and problem-solving. 2. Cerebellum, located at the back of the brain. Controls balance, posture, and coordination. Helps your muscles work smoothly together. Lets you perform activities like cycling, dancing, or catching a ball. Fine-tunes movements so they're not shaky or clumsy. 3. Brainstem. Includes the midbrain, pons, and medulla oblongata. Controls automatic functions you don't think about. Regulates breathing, heartbeat, and blood pressure. Helps you swallow, blink, and digest food. Connects the brain to the spinal cord. Keeps you alive even when you're unconscious. 4. Hypothalamus. The body's control center for internal balance, homeostasis. Regulates hunger, thirst, sleep, and temperature. Controls hormones by directing the pituitary gland. Helps manage emotions and stress responses. Plays a role in maintaining daily biological rhythms. 5. Thalamus. Acts like the brain's relay station. Receives information from the senses and sends it to the cerebrum. Helps you focus attention on important things. Plays a role in awareness and alertness. Filters signals so the brain isn't overloaded. 6. Pituitary gland, known as the master gland. Produces hormones that control growth, metabolism, and reproduction. Regulates other glands like the thyroid and adrenal glands. Influences puberty and physical development. Helps maintain body chemistry. 7. Hippocampus, key part for memory formation. Helps convert short-term memory to long-term memory. Essential for learning new information. Supports spatial memory, like remembering routes. Damaged in diseases like Alzheimer's. 8. Amygdala, the emotional processing center. Detects danger and triggers fear or alertness. Helps form emotional memories. Influences aggression and stress responses. Works with the hippocampus to link memories with emotions. The heart is a muscular organ that works like a pump. It pushes blood to all parts of the body. It is located slightly to the left side of the chest and is about the size of your fist. Structure of the heart. 4 chambers. Right atrium. Right ventricle, left atrium, left ventricle. Functions. The right side handles impure blood. The left side pumps pure oxygen-rich blood. Functions of the heart. Pumps blood continuously. Supplies oxygen and nutrients. Removes carbon dioxide. Maintains blood pressure. The heart beats around 100,000 times per day and pumps about 7,500 liters of blood daily. Lungs. The lungs are the main organs of the respiratory system. These are a pair of spongy, air-filled organs that are part of the respiratory system and located on either side of the chest, thorax. We breathe about 20,000 times a day without thinking about it. Humans have 2 lungs, a right and a left, located in the thoracic cavity on either side of the heart. The right lung is larger and has 3 lobes, superior, middle, inferior, while the left lung has 2 lobes to accommodate the heart. Each lung is made up of branching airways called bronchi and bronchioles, which leads to millions of tiny air sacs known as alveoli. These alveoli are the main sites of gas exchange, where oxygen enters the blood and carbon dioxide is removed. The lungs are enclosed in a double-layered membrane called the pleural sac, which reduces friction and allows smooth movement during breathing. They are connected to the trachea through the bronchi and receive blood supply through both pulmonary and bronchial circulations. Functions of lungs. Take in oxygen, remove carbon dioxide, help maintain blood pH. Support speech. When we inhale, oxygen enters the lungs. When we exhale, carbon dioxide leaves the body.
Stomach. The stomach is a muscular, hollow organ involved in digestion. Food travels from the mouth to the stomach through the esophagus and plays a vital role in breaking down food and passing it to the small intestine.
Parts of stomach: cardia, fundus, body, pylorus.
Structure of stomach. The stomach has 4 main layers. First, the mucosa, the inner layer that releases acid and digestive enzymes. Second, the submucosa. It supports the stomach and contains blood vessels and nerves. Third, the muscularis, 3 muscle layers that mix and move food. And finally, the serosa, the outer protective layer. Together, these layers help the stomach digest food efficiently. Functions of stomach: stores food temporarily, secretes gastric acid, breaks food into semi-liquid form, kills harmful bacteria. If you find this video useful, then hit the subscribe button.